Del, how are you? Good to see you, Del. Lots of videos. You're traveling around here, there, and everywhere. At least I can comment only on your videos, but I cannot comment on your. No option to comment on your shots. So many times I want to comment something on the shot, but I think one day I have to open my laptop and look at all your shots and then start commenting on all your shots one by one, starting with the latest. Because on my laptop I can do it. Wait, when I relocate to India, I hopefully I'll have some better. I try to be a little more organized. Not when I go, when I have my own. If I get my own rental place soon, as soon as I get it, then I'll have some more time to, organize myself. Getting ready for Sinulog. What is Sinulog?
Oh,
Is
I'm
it
working,
something or is it?
I'm
Oh,
working. Ah, it's
yes,
nice
yes.
that you are there in Sinulog, Del.
For once, Pitta says, please look at my fingers. Enough of looking at my face and the rest of my base. Now you only look at my fingers.
No, I cannot put the camera there somewhere because other people
Yeah,
might
that's
be.
okay. That's okay. We'll watch your fingers. That's okay. Whenever you want your people to see you, just stretch as you are stretching now. Okay, don't keep adjusting. Everything is okay. Don't worry. Everything in place.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So,
I'm
so
using my
busy here.
laptop. I'm losing
Yeah.
my laptop because my computer doesn't have the internet. So it's
Ah,
better,
right, right.
I'd
So,
rather the Wi-Fi than having nothing at all.
yeah, especially if you're going to be on the live and you're doing any live and all that, then it's better to be on a yeah, it's
So
better to
busy
be
in
on
Cebu.
Wi-Fi.
Yes, Sinulog, Sinulog, Sinulog.
But Del, when are you not busy? In London, you are busy 24/7, and now in Cebu also you are busy 24/7, traveling around here, there, and everywhere.
Just like
You
me,
know,
ah.
you know what they say, Del? What do they say? No, no peace for the wicked. There is a saying, no peace for the wicked.
Pero akong ibutang nga name. Si, ah? Okay ra?
Really, Del is always so busy.
Okay.
But at least you're busy now with family and those kind of things. So it's nice,
Pasok pa lang sa topic.
It's
Siya may
it's a different
magpaparoon.
kind of busy, right? It's a different way of being busy. So it's a better way of it, loved ones
Siya
and
may
things like that.
magpaprint
So
para
it's
diretso
good
na
of
niya anytime. Ang problema kay
you.
patay internet. I cannot. No, no, kuan man. No internet din.
Yeah, Del, it's good to be busy with family at least. It's a good change.
Ay, sinaro, gagmay yun ni siya or dagko ni.
But I know you still have to keep up with
Kuan
your
man siya
work and also get in your employees get in touch with you and you have to follow up on the projects and make sure everything is going well there. So yeah, I understand. That also keeps you busy.
Ibot mo ni siya.
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Thank you so much, Del. Just you and me, we are so busy.
Yeah.
We both are so busy, Del. On our
But but
Friday,
uh,
so busy.
Pita is busier than you, Del, because Pita is multitasking. At one time, she's doing 101 things. She is even busier. Pita is busier than a bee also, or than a beehive. All the bees
Yeah.
put together. Pita is busier than all the bees put together in a beehive.
Lunes na lang na ko send. Wa man tay internet oy. Or maghimo na pumuglaing communication sa laptop.